What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Edible Fitness. That's right, the fitness you can eat. We are making some great muffins today. It is October, so that means pumpkin spice. Let's get started. So we are going to start with the dry ingredients. First, the flour, the brown sugar, the spices, salt, and baking powder. So take a whisk. This is not a whisk. Take a whisk and make sure you mix it all up. Try to break up as many of those little brown sugar pieces as possible. Alright, now that that is done, let's move on to the wet ingredients. We're going to combine the pumpkin puree. Please, like I always say, make sure you get the pumpkin puree and not the pumpkin pie puree. That way you can add your own sweetness and your own spices. With the pumpkin puree, we're going to add the vanilla, add it to the milk. And then the olive oil. Let's move back to the dry. That's it, guys. These are so good. You have to give these a try. I say that all the time, but it is so true. Listen, I am going to go and eat this because it's amazing. But before you go and make yours, please don't forget to like, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment below, tell me what you thought, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. Alright, you go make yours now. I'll see you later, right back here on Edible Fitness. Bye!